Hi everyone. I just recently got this in the mail. This is very unexpected. I don't remember ordering anything. So I'm just so surprised, but let me see what's inside. Hey gorgeous, this one's for you. XOXO, LA girl, love inspired beauty. Okay, here we go. I am just opening up, so I have no idea what's in this. Break Free, This Is Me, Ultra Bold, Fun, 16 color eyeshadow palettes. Create soft, dramatic glam look using stunning pop colors, launching at selected Ultra stores, 8/27/2020. Oh, so this is a palette. Okay. These are definitely palettes that I would use. Vibrant, shimmering mattes. I like that. Highly pigmented with extreme payoff. Silky smooth formula, long lasting, easy to blend and apply, and large mirror included. Oh, okay. All right. So this is from Ultra, and these are their new mattes. Let me get through all this. Okay, so it says Break Free. So this is this is very heavy. Let me see if there's anything else under here. No. Okay. So, let's see what this is. This is tape. This is like a CD tape. I'm gonna have to, let me see. Let me go get a knife. Okay, so I open it up with my trusty cutters. And first of all, look at this. Look at this. This is very nice. Break Free eyeshadow. Oh, so I have both of them. And then there's Break Free eyeshadow from LA Girl. Okay. Here is the palette. I particularly like this because this is something that I can use with, I use this kind of color for night with blush. I use this I have a blush similar, but obviously not sprinkles, although I do have one with that. I do like shimmering stuff because at night it really pops. I don't like shimmering stuff in the daytime. Shimmering and all that stuff I think is 100% nighttime wear. So that is something. What else? We have Wing It. Maybe for some other stuff. I like the shimmering aspects of it. And I like the fact that there are non-shimmering stuff because sometimes it's just too much. And it seems like it goes with a lot of what I'm looking for. I like the fact that it's have colors, breakthrough. Oh, there's a shimmering that's similar to that. It's a little degree lower. I wish it was there was a shimmering one that went for this color scheme for breakthrough, but that's okay. There is something similar right here in Flaunt, so that's okay. That's okay. This is from Canada. It's in French. I speak French, but you know. It says keep lighter shades across the entire eyelid from lash line to brow line. Apply darker shades along the crease to outer corner of eyelid. Well, that's kind of obvious. And then you kind of blend. So it kind of does it's kind of a reveal of your eye as your eye looks up. So let's open up. Let's look at this one. We have more of 100%. This is daytime stuff. I would say Break Free is way more have to do with people who are lighter skin. That would look better with lighter skin, or people who like bold colors. I don't like stuff that doesn't kind of mend with my own skin color. So this is 100% for lighter skin people. I'm not saying white, I'm just saying lighter skin people. Look at my skin. This is what I'm talking about. And it has the same similar kind of thing. As you can see, it's 16 colors in the palette. So if you are lighter skin, Caucasian, maybe even Asian, because not all Asian people are white, this LA Break Free would work well with you, unless you like bold colors. I'm assuming, you know, if you're looking for those bold colors, there are other stuff for that that's way more bold than this color palette. But, you know, for everyday, this would work fine for anybody. And I don't know the pricing for this, but because they didn't give me any paperwork on that. But it's coming soon to an ultra. This is Break Free. And for people who are my complexion, the Break Free eyeshadow palette for LA Girl would work really well. It goes well with everyday and nighttime wear. I personally find it very nice. I don't like the fact that it doesn't have a lot of blues, but blues aren't in style necessarily right now. So although when I go to stores, it seems like blue is in style, but I guess that level of blue is not. The only thing that is close to what I'm talking about is the sky, because it has sprinkles of blue-esque mint, but it's fine for every day. This is a kind of everyday. It also has kind of a nighttime color palette, and it's great for people of darker skin. It really works well. I would suggest that. I'm gonna have a little video actually using it later on. I'm not a beauty expert, but I just wanted to show this. It looks really cool, and it's coming to Ultra Stores 8/27/2020. So next month, it's coming out. Come and look it out. All right, bye.